Hello, Flutter enthusiasts. Welcome back to Flutter Skills. Today we're diving into an essential topic that every Flutter developer should master: responsive UI. As we build apps for an ever-expanding array of devices, from smartphones to tablets and beyond, creating a responsive user interface becomes paramount. Flutter provides powerful tools to make this process not only manageable, but also enjoyable. We'll cover ScreenUtil package. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. The ScreenUtil package is a versatile tool designed to simplify the process of responsive UI by providing a set of utilities for working with screen sizes, resolutions, and densities. Whether you're dealing with different devices or handling dynamic content, this package has got you covered. The first thing you need to do is add the ScreenUtil package to your pubspec.yaml file. Head over to your project, open the pubspec.yaml, and under Dependencies, add Now, let's initialize ScreenUtil in your main.dart or the file where your app starts. You wrap your material app with ScreenUtil widget design size property. This property allows you to set a specific design size that you want to use as a reference when working with responsive UI. H method. This method allows you to easily set the height of your widgets based on the screen size, making your code even more responsive and adaptable. Instead of manually calculating and setting heights for various devices, you can leverage .h to streamline your code. W method. This little gem simplifies the process of setting the width of your widgets dynamically based on the screen size. Instead of manually calculating and setting widths for different devices, you can use .w to make your code more readable and maintainable. Let me show you how it works. Instead of manually calculating and setting radius for different devices, you can use .r to make your code more readable and maintainable. Let me show you how it works. You can use the .setSpeed method provided by the package. This method adjusts the font size based on the screen's width and height. Now, before we wrap up, let's dive into the comments section. I want to hear from you. What aspects of responsive UI in Flutter do you find most challenging or interesting? Have you used the ScreenUtil package before? And if so, what was your experience? Are there specific Flutter topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Drop your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments below. Remember, this channel is not just about me sharing knowledge, but creating a community where we learn and grow together. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our Flutter journey. Looking forward to our discussions in the comments. Until next time, happy coding!